set ahyehyɛ na adwene na wɔde nam
and the crowd they are worrying last point and say a lot of the middle and upper class for no woman are raising ma house helps any drivers any auntie
yes aunties yeah
I was extra careful obi ahia mmoa but say adwuma na wo so ye no ntumi njam ma obi foforo so nye there was a wo
wankasa wo ye wade
na wo di anim enye saa be a house help kakra uncle kakra driver kakra na ade no amfa kwala na amfa bone kwan so bi kwan kwa obenku se bi kwan pa ne ma o kire nkwala no kra no ene dia wo dream as parent na bobra
it's true
until say unya time na wo boa in shaping their minds. There are a lot of middle and upper class parents omo nyamesum and ti say dia omo mano ene omo because enkwala no bebre omo ni nyankopon tem
atimpo
what you say senior usu anu na ko Sunday school and I say Sabbath school and I didn't them and bebre and shed antisa nti ya dey o say hia wo for pa.
It's true pa because me the ex-convict bi eba ha wadal yede ne to mu London yede ne to mu baby bebre a na wa be reverend na what kind of story you show you so no can say ebra na osano na ne papa ni time the papa is very busy enti ne papa kofa 70 bi 70 na introduce you to drugs.
Jesus Christ.
O se 70 no o da ko ho no se brama men kire wade men kan kire wo papa and o man weed and na o se na nisu bri no but as I any day so the next day no no try bi enti ko wi ase no na o ye drug addict ne papa kura nim.
Wow.
But na ye ne papa akwala a o ye adwuma ma no
I was here careful.
I want to introduce you no by nam say na papa no so ni nkomo nti no wanti me a opin busa ade na wan kan kire papa say and o se me papa wo suro kra o ye killer etinya dia obetimi akopa nti a very important point pa say parents no ye peska de ye pese ye upgrade ye ho ye ko school ni ade but ye jankwala no ye benya ska na wi o mbaba ba shi ska nyina enti ye ntete wo mo ne nhyehyɛ wo madwene ono abo medase ehemfa na wo ko school she school ase wo hemfa
she school ase wo Pentecost school wo ko Fordua.
Oh
they wanna me call me nursery ni class 1 and be do class 2
okay
me wo Pentecost no na me di first wo class o
sa
na mreso nya de ba enkran no na de me ba St Benedict School Dansoman.
Okay.
And so boy also to me to himself.
Maybe I'm not different as buy
I have quite no tro case or tro e no dey abo bi nim no dey abo si. Eh dem go say na have.
I know say na we a guy wo go there. But I
had a nedi. Inti me buy in fact so be some mates na me no more St Benedict.
Okay.
I'm on the type from Vincent, no, by the way.
Okay.
My name was in Benedict.
Yeah, from Vincent. Yeah. Okay.
Me bray apart from class 2. Last time I buy, I be do JSS 1.
Wow, what struggle?
Not minima this year. Me bray not said no more no cry problem.
Oh, so
sana, I'm say problem kakra miss me nya and say mi swano na me de bonkum netro.
Oh.
Ti Felicia comes in therefore ya
mama
bring me say also do unsa right netro. Nti me handwriting there I'm corrected that I na me buy na collect central
case central ntiness a confuse you kra
and sana we hwe collect that in fact at that time no collect no ne brofo me so na me brofo ya fi na
oh chance you upgrade
nti from class 2 third term
okay
be do class 6 there me bre papa
wa uti musa asa hade me mfit ya count from asewa
na me di second
ona di second
akwa ku be wo me no ne o ye dan a me twa no
eze wo musa wo de ne nya ba o de nya
but me bre pa
okay
abedu JHS 1
okay
I was in Benedict
okay
into JHS 1 in fact class na say me class comedian dia groceries and the men me now for dia groceries into school dia na enhye dan koyi ba me kai times me bread no ma ba fi ni me ma me abekasa na ade ugumani mu ase you me teacher de Mrs. Keto be friend en koyi but JHS 1 na madam for me tin nchen Ernest Champon ye na ye tie kire ho nane sister Claudia ye senior am say no JSS 3 until we no started prepare for BC into no more past questions. Deniers or past questions nibi. So one of those occasions now you try past questions nibi. sometimes when you mental.
Yeah.
Nim say no me mental.
They say the omo ye de na ye pa na me wo teacher ni bia na friend oka is that point clear no boss say is ni ente friend is that point here no a math teacher yeah the rule na say is that point here yes madam
Until me na me math teacher is some or the 18 crimes say you are suffer crime.
Okay, all right.
So left-handed man you can pim ni be ma 10 gram ti
Yeah.
Very very fair man. And also not tire mental. To buy yes, obi anyi notebook no okra paper bi no read the questions. Until what your question and no answer what your question. Until ye dey bia no ye be and I say ye be bet your but me kai do JHS 1 kai pa Ernest this sister Penny pass questions here so also where you na me ko jina class na nim that time me nim say wetin for your mbe kai na say GBC omo kan news ni wi a obi be ye weather forecast.
Yes, I
nti me so me ye weather forecast ni bi a kire me classmates no mo sre sa na Mr. Odayaba your be mental to start here ti obo question na o tro question na no wa solve no wa tro answer no tro question the first question I try question ask me who da
yeah
with me solve here second one question ask me who da with me solve here sa na questions na Ernest sister Penny
sa past questions no wow
ti you ye me kai pa you ya say you ya ye be bobo say omo nya 0 mo sorry ni bia you go am kakra 1 for mo sorry nti ye ya na like ye tanya 2 3
yeah
e do 2 3 ya sorry
hey
4 5 6 7 8 names 9 10 near sorry papa no nyini
ayi no one way
e champion ni obon gruma obeke na like
am power
one copy mo ewia no ye twa e ho na me hu say we prepare before the actual exam na
ubetimi ye twa
fo keke
oh
JHS 1 na mimi so
na usia sa strategy no
na fiti time a minya sa strategy alani
o prepare what's our bia ho who say unya prepare ubetwa
nti JHS 1 na mimi sua adisua
okay
to the extent say me try me BC distinction every
wow
paper
wow
a hona about to me very clearly say minya time
esuan now prepare
so that about then you are fully on top of it.
Amazing say at that time no what binya sa we say revelation no I say yes just say no sir but it dawn on you say no sir no bia na da bia ye kind from us here
yeah o kind from us here
yeah na me to 2
3 de obenya ba enya hu formula ni de
what's so busa say honorable so be tie una say e bia na addition because akora bi wa struggle academically na ye ne say ya na parents ni bi kra abemabu obi okra junior high school na when chakra na ye say out recently Professor Joseph Osafodu clinical psychology okay bi say enkwada no ma yen right to off after BEC because mentally no o madwene no enyini ebra omanya after 18 years it will betimi away no kwa bia after 16 kon but as a system of education no ye no ana o wantwa BC na eso obi okra SS kwa no be yade minimum obi a wanya de ewo senior high school but obeye ni remedials no ebra okọ university no nya first class and I don't know how kakra no because your education kakra obe kan dia fa your educational system no enkrofo bebre wo problem with said ye
discuss it
wow
discussing obi de nadwen foforo bi be background po a any text ni mo different it teacher nka say wetin ye be bo there be so wow that's a very interesting way of thinking
yeah
because to the be ankola no suppose creativity ni ho na free ba enkola bebre wo a ye wo very creative
yeah
but ni abo na ma ni creativity
creativity na say ya bo no a we mistake kakra ni abo wasum
me say me say nka ye ma me de me left it to so e be anka me creative kakra
yes
so ya bo me ama me there's something about the curriculum and pedagogy but they are all can me know ya adwen say ni say you writing kwala ni na off say kwala we ntwa science we akwala bi o ntwa science o ntwa maths but ono so ni creative skill ade a o de be ye mana boa Ghana asom Ghana no edutwam nti say betumi ya encourage no mana find the expression ewo baby a ono wa ebeboa obi o so ye late learner
ampa
say na me ka say akwa ba ko bi a ono de na we den ya me
obebiti no
let's say
de no we no
oh lawyer say and he's a very good lawyer.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
It's a writing offer.
Me no you nan writing offer.
I be say munina na mo.
But only na mchalo.
As when we lawyer.
Into my point is that you're writing kwala off. Sa ma obi opportunity na ma say you know mudi nkomo you be who the area of interest to them.
Okay.
Na support you.
Okay.
Ewo ho. Enye obi an obey adwuma or bank ne yi nke kan. But you to me ma enkwala no etumi express your home interest ne ade na ye support wo ma ebebo a whilst I try change pedagogy ne curriculum ne so kakra ma na reflect the ne obi hia e de abobra.
Yes.
Because there are some of the things I be and you know, and should I that relevant. So
yes.
There's a lot to be said about education. But I will for now say making sure say and call an opportunity to be educated at least to some level. When people are buying na you need to add on say basic education na end or JSS 3 no. Yen trim na emra SHS 3 until here your policy near say you redefine basic education to include senior high school near my free for public schools because once you will say we Ghana ni ya wo Ghana ni ya wo Ghana say we Ghana ni ba ne de o mine no wasu dey say e be boa na educate no one be any pan
am be any pan because at the end be any pan ya bre yeah ye nyina ye bebre
nti the state has a responsibility MPP ani so ade ho ni say the state has a responsibility say found so papa uska na papa niska once ya wo Ghana ha say na we say the state and resources ni be support to at least to senior high school na sebe o formulation ni ade edu level be afi from
afi de o de na do she brasha wonsem na wakọ wanim ye da se pa na wakọ secondary school when
Pope John nti after
Saint Benedict
me call Pope John. The man me call Pope John say that time no na you choose schools before BC you know. Nti school no be choose so our parents beba. Now I'm only headmistress of Abet Nas. Nti me school and I'm choose and I'm not shy to say it was St. Augustine's.
Okay.
Nti me call St. Augustine's. Mrs. Kato say uncle St. Augustine's. And you know,
one can reason so.
Okay, me count.
Okay, Mate. Mate say
uncle St. Augustine's. So, you know, she made the case, me my mom school for fraud. Ti my me no so okay, no because of child Ghana secondary school near then onim kofoedu teachers ni bebre, onim Pope John so.
Okay.
Yeah, Catholics. Nti why not say yem family Pope John? Nti your mommy choose Pope John.
Okay, I don't know.
Me prepare to go to Pope John. Nti time me could do Pope John, me kai Pope John na your kopeke card no GS for office. They are church or board no so. To make distinction across 12 ones.
Wow.
And usually not 12 ones for you don't you know science. Na other ones.
You the general no.
Me call you the mako share science. I'm saying nehi.
Mempe.
Me science there mempe. Because I'm a developer strong interest in business.
Okay.
Into me say me business. Into for first 1 month no cry no dey make science class. No cry na am mampe science.
Okay na we biology and chemistry and physics no.
Ade am chikura ni say how titration no. 2, 3 meter 4 pentene.
Lie. And as me pay business.
I'm me pay business because earlier na me mama to book be am Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Okay.
I'm book say
yeah.
And me kind book I was fascinated.
Me book me share say man you me drum finfia na me jaye.
Exciting book. And book no fascinating me about kwan Rich Dad no. Na otumi structure na niyama o creative value ade na obe produce ade na 2 cedis and I say we dey fan say 2 cedis no aton 5 cedis no even fast 3 cedis nti say ope more sika no abe decide volume ope so ton now afisika no benya no de bi bo anko no de bi yade as against Poor Dad na no need any say massa my co school we are peduma and I found it fascinating. It's business and I'm person here. So later then they moved me to business. Me call business no na your master back your friend no something.
Okay.
Me nickname no any
something
not oche elective math.
Okay.
No your mama adamfo. Ka say so also we person ko Cape Coast University ko economics ah. Your man elective math and count. So that time na Pope John your business course and elective math and count.
Okay.
Nti me normal business course ni and you may no mako education me fi akwa elective math.
Oh.
Nti yetro wasi 2020 no 2000.
Okay.
You register me for wasi. Me penny business student many business for true you business for coffee no. Me science and science for na me no mo tro.
So, elective math.
Elective math.
Because this I am foul.
Aye. And I mean 5 A's 3 B's.
Wow.
Your mommy admission will Cape Coast University to do Bachelor of Commerce.
Okay.
A J for me later mama so to say based on my example no more the elective math I can't.
And they can business course
no.
Wow.
I think before he died, he explained that was what they were doing. I met students are no more.
Almost so ye can home.
And I'm call Cape Coast University, call Bachelor of Commerce.
Okay.
Into economics, accounting, finance, business management.
Wow.
I don't know call Cape Coast University.
Okay.
For 4 years, I made my first degree.
Okay. Nani obi bebu sa say obi a we business person. Na wako university akoye business. Ye kaye hu inanka trading ni ade. Na unenam freight forwarding money ade. Na wo pede wo. O pede wo media nim.
Well, the first answer is actually 2013 na me be a business West Brownstone Capital.
Before answer na obeba media no.
Debbie.
Okay.
So, that was just at the time I may be free media.
Media anymore. Okay.
Na me be West Brownstone Capital.
Okay.
To 2023 nearly 10 years. Nyame adom according to my fine. Yeah, trading
kakra.
Business no.
Oh, okay.
In fact, eboa me pa. But there a cofa we buy and say me go school no. Me work Cape Coast no. Me started businesses kakra on campus.
Okay.
One of the businesses I started in a campus newspaper, near a campus exclusive.
Okay.
Inti me fa omo ane pe media juma no. Fa ombo mu na me pay capital kakra. In fact, okay, back story. You real level 100 no. Level 200 na me ne bomba nyina ye call UK. So that time na bomba di kan wo UK. No soja mu UK nti me kokot na nchen wo UK. Nti na me ye construction.
Okay.
Bonko. Yeah, Akosua cement kakra
yeah.
During the day. Na jono makoy security.
Okay.
Enti ye juma kakra nti every vacation na me koy. Nti sika kakra me nya me buy no. Na me be start businesses kakra bi o campus.
E wo campus wana.
Nti ba ko no ye campus newspaper.
Okay.
Campus exclusive. Nti ho na me be fa ani osabute mu ne nkeka woni ade nyina be share me newspaper ni mu ana omo chro ma me na ya ton na me so ma ba kra be pay adverts.
Now they are back betum.
You are not to be a can am so.
It's now town newspapers no campus level 200.
You far and kwala ibiana and then campus one pempam tade show ma na call room by room near the cocoton newspapers near the.
Wow.
Nti na me nya me kakra wo.
Okay.
Na eno no ene ma media boys na no campus no. Me no be fine.
Okay.
No already time na me wo Pope John no. There were some Saturday programs be or radio Saturday for radio Z until umo ye konam ho. Ti madam for baako the lady dijinyo. Say say ono head of marketing or FBN Bank.
Okay.
Ti ono na or catch Mr. Kofi Usu. Say minim guy be. Or a very entrepreneurial, the communications are very good. Your Pope John no a very good. Or Cape Coast University say manim be attachment to Joy FM I say. Until the lady did not let me call ye. And I confused the master and dogbe. I know it.
Yes.
And me year internship. I mean, yeah, and I enjoy baby inti mija hokoy. But I did my best.
Okay.
Inti mija hokoy. Na ye be we Cape Coast University. At times so now me was students in free enterprise. A campus business group. What was cano near the business.
Okay.
Inti for example, time I hope John no. Na me wo junior achievement. At the beginning of the year no, your bobo was cano. As a capital.
Okay.
Maybe I say a writing pad with school stamp near there also. You say a t-shirt and a scarf near there. Until you be investing in some money at Thomas students. You go in taco near there t-shirt, polo shirt. You the from the arts visual art students.
Okay, na mo de oma designs na mamo.
Near tiom can near. Until you near Tony near profit. Term no so near committee near Chiscan.
Okay. Wow.
Until me back Cape Coast maybe joining students in free enterprise. Near the same thing. And nona a dear bar annual student in free enterprise competition were cra.
Okay.
Na Mr. Kwesichu multimedia or ye judged. In fact, I don't Kwesichu no a judge.
Okay.
And Mr. Gomado also for British American Tobacco.
Also a judge.
And hona ye buy ye be a presentation. You start a presentation and a PowerPoint no call off. Yeah, na we trim say omu wiemu male gon for. Nti e call for him so.
Oh, we wiemu male gon for.
Because they be gon for na dey win.
Yeah.
But na me ye project coordinator or Cape Coast University SIFE based on the anama ye was senior high school. Ene me be ye wa say. Nti project ni na minim.
It's a wo trim dada.
Trim. Eno ni asema na wo kan no sa story na me kan Joy FM no. Nti eno na fe ma Mr. so bi ensa abotre. Kofi first project aye na da no so ye Gary value enhancement project. Yeah, ni say to me kai. Yeah, ni say no so e man na na ton gari wo duakro no. No mo de olunka na ade na sa. Tema volumes no wo form. Nti e compare packaging machine nke kan na ade na de brewom. Say no betumi enhance value no ma turn at a higher price. No mo tete machine ne ka no mo tia kakra wo so okay kofi me da say. sika hina yɛde hyɛ mu na Kofi aka yɛwie ndi nya no aka okay yɛnkɔ this particular project yɛ ne sɛn nti me ne me colleagues no
na obusa mo o gather information
live on the set nti tam yɛwie yɛ no na I'm say Cape Coast University yɛwie ni yɛnkɔ Spain nko represent Ghana nti hona Kwesi Chum frame say hey bra ekwan a ofa so yes ade we say no
nwanwa
obetumi aye adwuma wo multimedia na me say multimedia me ma ye internship wo
no kra wonnim so be internship wo hokọ
no say okay nti we are national service bra sa dan ehwa na Mr. Gomado so frame me no say me pe leadership and skills no nti me so me ma adwuma wo British American Tobacco.
Wow.
Timinya two jobs
that same day no
and the two jobs no were because of adwuma na maye nti dey bia say na me young people ne kasa argument ni say try and be of service.
Okay, sompa
na sompa no dey som because wo som no obi be hu
yeah
na ka say boy we
oya de
ma me fa bibi nhyɛ ne nsa because me say adwuma na me ye o Cape Coast me ye o Pope John no eno na ma emu ye me da me call Cape Coast me koto aso
yeah
eno na ma ye ba national competition Mr. Kwesi Chum
emu ne
eni Mr. Gomado mu nyina
na ehu wo mu ye
ti omo fa me two jobs sadana
I don't know mo PowerPoint no e call off
na ye school your final year
omo level 400 munya nwie school class na wanya office me yenu e wo ho a we say we and was we your national service we abra.
In fact now almost say two ni na say member started with national service
be national service e wo omo ho wow
nti meje British American Tobacco national service no Mr. Gomado my 5 years national service and I am a treasury analyst nti ho na me accounting na me finance from school ni na na me use and I me sign J say me part time or Joy FM nti anopa no me call Joy FM be 5 am
okay
ni akoye adwuma dia be business news no be 8
okay
you business news no be 8:30 na me di me
ka no sa ko tobacco
British American Tobacco akako start me full day job akopim 5 me pon 5 na ma san Russia ba Joy
okay
about be business on news night no
okay
it is na me started national service but by the time me we national service no na British American Tobacco for mam ye adwuma full time as a treasury analyst na mom tia say so adwuma na me de metumi aye but me wo Joy gig we say so
yeah
so okay Martin Nintwi ona no me head of finance no so metumi aye
okay
nti na me ye adwuma mienu
nti na wo ba join na o sa ye adwuma wo ho wo ye no mienu nyina nti wo wie school am compare adwuma ho
David minya two jobs but see two jobs na your sum na
your sum na memo aka sum no ho asem because young people be say wo share this generation owie school na ope wo pe bibi lucrative bibi me pe de be ma me car e be ma me office asen ten but all the no dey lead to sa two opportunities no eye osom ka esom wasem kakra say be a young person bi obi wa wo wie school sabe okuta ne degree obi awie ne masters okuta me wo office enkofo timi banti Akosua fam adwuma anti eye few people no bitimi. I remember I met some young lady bi o say pacha wo de wo kọ ba bi ama me mesom wo wo de wo kọ ba bi ama me wo speaking engagement bi ama me mesom wo keke na me say gay we ye obi aba but who say opportunity bi any ho no say no I want to find a way to serve it can service one some kakra kire
two stories that will exemplify Abranti bi say or a general manager of a TV station ABC News
okay
bra me one Ministry of Information no obey the national service or so senior banking or school so obey national service for but now the private idea and say utwitwa photos
okay
tidabako your office this is right after president promoted me to minister no your office na call back from Jubilee House say yes minister be am fan portrait picture and in the next 1 hour hey mini portrait picture and go say yaba ti me sorry for me you are me PA me reception ho na me catch am say yes me ntwa portrait picture mini portrait picture nti bia yenko osu yenko nkotwa bi na girl bako say oh me national service colleague bi wa say utwitwa photos
hey
my friend mbra ti your friend Brem George me or picture bi me she suit 2018
yeah me hu sa picture na efe pa a bit man hwehwe ma na fa to ti akonwa chi an Forson say an why say
utwa picture no bako pe no twa ono ani camera no twa to try me send the call and na use for know your ministers we na no mo printing no after that picture efe when you try am say George ni try me wo sa na afi me ton sa friend am say tell me about can school or call you banking near there so no be you banking there better information ministry then I say so national bank okay no problem Ti koe. No ba 1 week no ba no so honorable. Me notice bibi that dey no so me notice who need photographer. Into who bibi. Me camera me use no bujo bi. Pachonka ubetumi ato camera we any lens we any sa battery we bi amamia.
Bi amamia.
Enka ba bia obeko bia no medi wechi na metwitwa pictures ama. Na dey aye wo Facebook ni keka oni ade. But me news ka rather na mesro say weekends me so metumi di camera no. Akwa
ye
ejuma weddings photos ni keka oni ade. Na me say okay be ti me fa no. Na me watch no. Be 3 months. Na me share den to anika. Say obeja
na so bekoso aya
ye ko tamale ye ko himfa ye ko Nigeria ye ko himfa obedi mechi bekwa kujutwa photos ni ade nyina. After 3 months na me start to anika. Apart from the national service na me am to anika after 3 months. Could you believe say out of that no that back me one of the proposal by so ni photography you know na for my head level be so on bezo mo be a company enti on be photography ni nkeka ho ni ade enti yempe investors be more ni ade me nko phone back me no kasa ni enti omo be a photo studio photography company omo ye nkeka ni ade say why am obi afa na dwumem as general manager of a TV station
obi a wo chance here with that portrait picture no wo twama wo no.
Yes. I mean, second story. Na me ye campaign 2020 campaign. Ye kwa bi ase. Ewo me peso aso ye campaign. Young lady bako ofi mi kro menye na ase. Me na me sheda anim youth be brave. Nti me sheda anim o she ni t-shirt be gina pick up na chi. Nti ye kwa bi ase. E kwa nipa no so be brave. Nipa be fa ne say 40 50. Ene na o me share odu ase na ye kasa. Na ye kasa na maame abro bako fi efo mu ba. Oso ni ja no kransuo. Ti girl no me hu ye na se me no me gina so say na me kasa. Ena nipa no say who you na girl na CF baby won no dimika call baby maame no wo no koje maame no ensuo ene ni ja no de ko ja no ofie to we no buy ti etna kam ye ba back fie na me bisa me boys ne say sake wo ye hwan a no mo kire me say hwan na me say entun san fie conference wo ye hwan o si o Cape Coast University say eh o be university student ena what here say Akosua ja ni ensuo kaka san say dem say okay and then course na oye sonography
okay
or my the sound image in there so okay ti say dem pa na ohia dem pa na mitime abo no so ohia laptop na me to laptop man say onyin ko school oje ko 1 year after semester na me free bisa say the results this order by very good grades na me say I'll put you on my scholarship.
Wow,
put you on my scholarship nti owie sonography no wie no national service we want to be home say when you admission to medical school I'm say put her on the scholarship. You beat you on the school fees for her to become a medical doctor. Hey, awesome.
Oh, who say mama ne bano? Like when you saw that thing, you know this girl is different.
All I saw that was her application.
Yeah. Who said this girl is different? We were down so because obi who invest in who mama bi no see no akwaje ne niema any ade de no there is something extraordinary.
Into their mechanic say awesome pano.
Yeah.
Maybe sorry we youth who are sorry youth programs here was so near na do ho ahim
yeah
or some they can say ba be pro nti wo ba enkonwa ye no
nti unde we de na wo ye no so on nam ho sa
we clean why ye wo ye no pani bi wo mu a ote ho
yeah
that's all okay
oshe is true
to ochina bi kra na say oh idea bi na bibi na wo ba na ka so wo fa me ye say ni say so because wa ma hwe wo me hu nti kakra metumi aka kire
efa osom no ho no de wo ko de make sorry na lady bi obi ewo a me fan se nkrofo ba sorry no mo mesu a na waje wo mo na de nkwada na hye wo machi o maji nti nkrofo se wo bi be super wo fa na ma me fa na ma se be obenya kwan enjoy the service because akwada bi wo ha wo ka se onko children's onko onu so na wo ha eti ogina sorry gate na no ya na waje one day be woman be for US by and oje ne ba no and the woman was impressed because normally nka obe ha adwene sa na nkofo oshers bi ye tiatia woni ade eti so obe je me ba hwe me a wonim se na me ka se wo US ma me ne de ne ko e oso onko hwe ne ba onko hwe ne ba ma no eti ana se young people ni bebre opede e akesiem but osumu a osumu no kra anya bia wonya experience bi because ade ne kra no usua no bibi o ha na wonim ubenya skill bi ebetimi aboa
first mistakes any expensive mistakes na wetu me correct and that opani bi a guide do na ochina bi no ono so anya gidi o mu de wasisi mpie bi so o de wasisi mpie bi so afi by that time no I experienced
wow
nti de kakra metumi aka kire me nua no ma etie me ne say unya opportunity asom ebebie pon am it's value in service
and chemeko a short commercial break but answer makate ma me share
na second thing I make so ne say build capacity be or how build there onim there ba be because me abra me sua accounting, finance, economics or Cape Coast University.
Yeah.
Na me nim that say be a ranking member on economic committee of parliament. Me nim that.
But ene ho abamfaso
Brutal. Abra me started adwuma on Joy FM. Komla Dumo Echo BBC.
Yes.
Can I be that I'm not no general manager and they don't know CEO or Chamber of Mines.
Yes.
Or frame your car say member morning show. In fact, my year ni crampo I'm kind na midday morning show the other. It's a full program na me. I said they been to Joada Obeba. This was Sunday.
Yeah.
Na me say mate. Joada na mama. Ti me ba no pa na me be me business report. Ti me wie no me fi studio na Komla Dumo ne stand up be say then you want so ba be morning show no. I'm saying na dey o serious. Kona ko hu ashigbe ti me san ko ashigbe o na ashigbe say serious yeah discuss it be until so start it Tuesday na me start here me start a morning show anko ye kra me kai me first interview bako Charles Wekurobe Tarzan ade ode ye me who be say question no be say question
obedi ujimo baba
who be say question no be say question I said a question na be say no one new one say me so sat am adwuma no me shada antia
wa fe na wa ba mu foforo
bra me me kai Bennett Frimpong 2010 NDC winning power no mo try Charles Wekurobe ya o ene kojompi enim
yeah
on Ghana at 50 ti call court na Justice Mafusao ebo case ni guye na lawyer odi asem ne friend Unicolendi that I'm not a lawyer no nye judge of the Supreme Court
yes
ti news ni breaking by 1 o'clock we say court si case ni foolish case o monko no ena Egbert Fable ono boa with research no or frame say no me na me friend na me simple copy of the judgment no send me copy ti anaju no me di ni baba sa na my Egbert na Egbert a kire me we mu me call law school da
yeah
enti anopa no Unicolendi by ena Victor Adawudu attorney general but
yes.
at the time esuma no man by enti o mienu ti ase me na me ye jaja me ti akunya na me to me bo case ye call na me ye ko through ti ewie na Colendi bizam say na wo call law school da na am say me law school me ntwa mu wani mo krada no say also call law school
ono kan sa kire wo
because we natural understanding of the structures of the law call law school ti Colendi na ma me call law school time me call law school na me nim say me ba be emrahye bejeni a me use law no on other things
wow
and now I say if you are near you me am say no check article 1815 international economic transaction but I quote him just hey no what do you constitution baba but I was at time me time Colendi
call law school no nim say that bi obeye mrahye bejeni
time acquisition car say brabe ye dwuma joy
no nim say obeye radio presenter
but time Akosua ado car say member information minister fi na o communication background any law no
and so here ni nyina kan bom
general me akuma ni di nkomo na ka say capacity in there build when opportunity to learn something and learn
yeah
build your capacity
na say build your capacity akwanya build the suade sa
consume
suade sa
nimu da
ehun
behia enti na enime ni so say me ba be politics in the accident me die Joy FM adwuma in fact interestingly me call law school we no me LLB ni we no ena opani ba ko to me for say me suspend adwuma no Joy FM na me call Mokola that time Mokola na omo allow ma onye yi no me call Mokola ti me call Mokola guess lecture ba ko na o kire ade Justice Mafusao
wow
go for the currency into ba me law firm your conference room no you're dedicated to him say eno na the Mafusao conference room
wow
ti Mafusao ena two me fo pa say listen law no enye ne say part time funny serious ti by the time me wie ya me ka say me ne Justice Colendi be adwuma because ono ma me call
law school no
ono
two for ma call
me call ye adwuma on law firm na me ne Abuja na pon e won law firm
okay
it was say niam no
ke kese won afi de won Abuja na pon e won law firm
yes na Abuya mi senior law firm ho
all right
enti sa time na mu na me decided say me take advice no na ma fa law no serious
yeah
enti me jai media juma
and enema uja media juma
enema me jai finally me jai anche bia na me mpanimfo fi ofon ase bai say ye MP na watena so 3 terms no o se onko bio nti ye hwehwe MP foforo me so that time na me patron e jai support nka
party kakra
me mfem media juma
yes
Tiana am say when mu here obi oye young obi oye articulate obi obetumi ma offense ayere bi din na baso because obi anti constituency ni din wa pre my din ma ne ma ba ti mu me nhwe bi na yentumi ene ne nkasa no mra no say okay nti ye be kwa akwa research aba be 3 weeks later no buy e share our men's Vic hotel e was really good kwesi adabi ye ne Aboagye no ye regional secretary for Eastern Region at the time so no convening meeting no ti etana no say omonya bi na say fine nti ye nkohwe ne ne nkokasa say
wa
it be politics no by accident.
Politics no by accident. Almost say, "Hey, wow, one year we so betting here."
The guys are brand new. Many Dr. Otabo could in Komo.
Okay.
But
wow.
But maybe Bia would remember me say me Biano. I give it my best.
Yeah, very interesting.
Then I went into politics. Into Tama na mission I say animal.
Yeah. So one day.
Baby, we were say.
Hey.
Da me kind na kuvado frame na me kuvudo ya na eba no say minko Supreme Court election petition no minko spokesperson.
Yeah.
Na me kuvudo. If I na me kuvudo ya frame.
Yeah. Show TV so pa mu ye ya no aba be chirechirem.
Me di me ka buy. So say me catch you say time na me sua ade no na no na wo mani so na.
Debi
but capacity no dey build it.
O build the capacity no.
Build ya. Dey be buy e dey adwuma be show on sabon say sa capacity.
Capacity no e ho hia.
It is a one build there. Opportunity ne be ba no.
Now me na say opportunity na say meet preparation why you well we are well equipped.
Thank you.
And this I emra obi pese o ma wakwanya but ade no unni capacity no.
Yeah. Me wo we mente French.
Yeah.
Me need capacity to speak French.
Yes.
Say akoba bi na say o ye po bi o te French man I don't have the capacity to. But nipa of French see me Mizie to gan chere French man fan is serious. People fan is serious no. Obo so that capacity.
I say obetimi aye. Because me friend teacher crowd na me sere ne pa. Because odu class no ka say bonjour me say ça va bien merci. Honorable very true pa because me kai say me wo despite media no. Me ko KN University me economics.
Okay.
Enti economics na me ye but na me wo media mu dada enti ne wo kumase ene ye ba akra enti ye ba akra no ena mba University of Ghana Business School me be MBA specializing in marketing.
Fantastic.
Na me nim say one day ye beba be me general manager.
Can you imagine?
Me general manager.
Can you imagine?
Say me go through management but me say no let me build the say me go through management but me say no let me build the capacity.
Yeah.
And capacity.
Yeah.
And I decide this okay na me nko ye masade.
Enka wanya
bia nipa no
opportunity number. Ye hwe o CV be ka so on air the oya the power.
Nanso
oni
skill ben
business
or
administration skill bia.
It's a very important
administration skill bia.
It's a very important point pa and one making if say you to your fan I say oh chance open your opportunity be for my last question because if for person more busa question na fe me meja there how woman no a shortcut to success. Say yeah how woman no a shortcut to success. Say fraud, internet fraud. And now be corner youth for sometimes who can use crana raho or ma gather one place na or mo te ho sa no muskimu ama abeye big issue pa kese pa. Minim the obe can chere young people na say especially the young say youth no doson Ghana. Your population youth no doson. But bebre na o and that so be any ho mintimi nya hwe anya politics ya. Ji say mikoye say enti ama say sa path no and omo cover for themselves ya chichi biatum e bi abrabon say any some drugs bi say youth no baby omo nam no ono abo no de minim de obeka e de afa ho say the young person bi tie wa na say impo am
me no di nkomo pa the entire a lot of young people pay shortcut and say and Ghana have shortcut is rewarded.
Oh,
that's the truth.
Shortcut is rewarded.
Shortcut is rewarded. Say traffic see now o kasa obi di mo una abeche stability. I will say clear say system na ye design no. Enye. And if we continue to provide rewards for shortcut there, nobody will go. Number 2, society a person call for quantum pompa a society I will say encourage their brony friend meritocracy. Why na a merit? Why na a
fantasy di bibi man no.
Say you said there ade
one no die. Enye de come de no.
Debi. Inti why na ade we say yes sin. Okay, nipa basis na what them has say. Ejuma we say yede ma omu ba ko no.
But we na ya ade, on the deserve.
Why pa na ejuma we nim say hwe ni suban ni skill ni bibia yede ma na obetumi aye. Ni e science ni pa kro no.
Ye de akoma.
Na esi o Akosua offer say ni ti yemfa ma no. It is a one encouraging meritocracy in the society. Nobody will want to merit something.
Yeah.
And phobia a test to be on it many years ago between socialism and capitalism. Say ye test na ka say obia mark obenya no. And only the man abona baswa. Kofo bomb who modern say ombenya mark kese. By a test na ka say okay be anjuro unya 10 unya 2 unya 5 yen kan bom ne strike average ne yen chesa mark no mo bia ne record ya. Me am we and me say na my mom home.
Oh, they cry na it dey na be shame crying. It dey na be shame crying.
It's a society that doesn't encourage meritocracy. And our bones and colano pick a shortcut. Me sorry say Marco back.
Matthias,
but foundation no.
And yeah, because someone dealing with the foundation. And yes, and one won't be fun. And
to be you ranting in Bibo my shortcut no meto ma say. But they are make culture me say Bibi also we also sustainability.
Yeah,
me you know.
A betche.
Until we met me ya to aswa the next 20 years ana.
Kuswaka some the ben measure them internet afro nipa any future
there be do the okase and robbery na ba fa say ne wako wafa ho adi o chan wako wafa ho adi ade we your future
there be
sustainable
there be
e be bo to ukwa de wia on the streets nasa
asa
nti minuanom mrante ni mebu a because of senior system na be nti no shortcut ayo mo de no mesrom say hwe sustainability fine ope car ope dan ope we and no nkomo ana me menti di na me ka chen say me tie me 44 years so obe to say me twi V8 e ma na nya so so channel papa V8 ni be atwi
there be
because me start adwuma at the age of 24
yeah
my adwuma 20 years 20 years this obe to say me twi V8 that's 20 years of work including 10 years as a lawyer
yeah
and about 10 more years as a journalist and a businessman.
Yeah. What's your business at Simple University?
Thank you.
Yeah,
in fact,
level 200 crap.
And money now say who's watching no person who we be who your documents be now the kunya 90 no we no okay fine and why when you say V8 next week then abe. Next 2 weeks then abe. Obekọ so abokro no sa, obekọ so aye fraud no sa, obekọ so aye shortcut no sa. And yes sustainable. Rather nipa no obeka say media dem person me say person producing you. So you never produce it cost me 90 pesos my turn 1 CD media that's why 10 and then me 100 10 me 200 or no dey sustainable
yeah
or no maybe on to V8 ni no or better on V8 5 years time
yeah
but what build the system be or turn V8 ni we are or better to Maybach or better to Maserati
yeah
because
you are building system na
sustainable system
and e wo ho
enti dia me catch me nua no say mete wase de enti a shortcut ayo there because system na ye design no e reward it me kan nada
but yes
e dia dey make yen say da anye de young ladies here abai ne obeka say oh me de eja me share opoku me na starting kan kra 2 bedroom yen kika ne aden ontwi benz ntem
ampa but okofa married man bia why establish
na say ono de okay ono crampo de aunt na obi aho and na obehuru yesi ha chan we hiri because of a benz ubenya back reference bone straight obenya ni na ni phone obeyi a che oni ade no what I say still wo many money
yeah
until the next 5 years then obey next 6 years then obey odi 40 45 na then obey
bibia tiegu no
but near we decide so many opoku ye fiase
yeah
what I say ye wo ye 2 bedroom bi opoku kosi mi adwuma mu one be family yakoye ntoko kakra na next year be toka
yes
obo so no ye adu ba bia ye promoting na aba be
and ye friend debi and ye friend debi ebe ye no
enti
na man pe ai aben wa ha
enti sustainability na make catch me no say bibia ye bia hwe ne enye sustainable
say ade ne be wo ho ama wonya ho mfaso ne nye de ne no a me penente no medi ne ne
ene nkwa de ende efe but obewie
na wie ne nye etiefo ye ne honorable lawyer Kwadwo Ponkroma ne time na so me be ma mo 10 minutes na wafre na wo question bia na wabusa eye 0260196064 and 0260196065 ene ye tie ne story my friend hello
midofo
hey me pa cha ne de bonneto fa na ne de me 1 minute me time aha minti
kata na bo say chia ne pa
odase
na oyaje nim kwan sensem na odi amaye no ye tie na me frewo onabo enti no Also, why sing our fair one, this is our brain. Again, legacy partner that she is a woman. You better say, honorable for your Hong Kong, or not to say in our year Aboagye. If you say, Mutu, it's in a pouch show. Munya Bibi, a my own phone, or my phone, a recipe for brain, Munya Bibi, send your Mutu Payamuko, the patch of Monte Sugana, my young. Na se se Ghana yebre
matenti dia wo kan say o se honorable mo meboa yate 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello me ba che fa wo say
Sompa Rhapsody.
Hey, Sompa Rhapsody, ma meet you 1 minute.
Honorable and I find that the more question.
Who are question me no no pay?
Thank you.
Me pacho won kasa no wo fom pa wo wadaroma.
Hello.
Okay, me pacho go ahead.
We are receiving for the past
Honorable minim say what in the question now?
I'm say or cancer what are the measures are able to media support or more actually their chomp some training college.
Oh, okay, something okay. Maybe that's your question on one. Okay, all right. Okay, also do Mate. Thank you very much. 0260196064. Hello. Me pacho ma radio no nko for mame me so fra na wa ma feedback and modum radio na mame na. Mami pacho ma mintie o.
Hello?
Me pacho mintie o.
Akosua to Aboagye.
Mami a time ninti me pacho ma me fa de o. Otwo so hello.
Hello.
Me pacho me nya be na me hia ni.
Mommy, mo ba pa kuni.
Me pacho ma mintie o 1 minute mintie o.
Mommy, ya papa ka say no ka say the custom game is pa discipline no bobo ba mo wo mo papa ji say na oja ni mbe ya no ju be ja ni mbe ni de mbe mana sabi o ka fra de be no ni ati ni be ni de na ku na ko ni say sabi o yaman 15 years I'm not found when discipline in that. The mommy, the guy, Sama, obviously, no can I say, Bratia. Because then she will remember me one of the percent you bread, a Saturday cup, yeah. Then I'm in Sada, cup, and then I'm for my spoon, the crack cup. Now, mommy, you make that many years.
Again, unka unu ha mate me da se me fa we hello.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, me pacho Forson na free.
So some
Joe, pacho ma minti o tew.
But the program there work power.
Yeah, that's it.
And the baby was a media.
Me that's
But there's some people minister home. Some are young people from Kakakra. But we got more than a shiny in Kakiri. The Babotanek, the better, my best 2009. The Babotanek comes not better than Kogri and from the Kuku in the year. But we copied in them, but they are not a Kukula, but not canon, no. Maybe the page in the mix, your family and I can choose our Babu.
Cabra Bonabebo with chi mate, me da se pa, Memfa de Waba hele, me funny pabe 3 course nothing there. Yeah, me pacho, why na meshiani? Yo, coffee ma, mami too. Yes. Nyami adum. Odasi.
Everything na no onno ene papa na lando ene papa baumia ene the kind of mana leader the home kana me ya misha na me ba to na me kita se on say papa na be give you but I don't know how to explain Akaroma. I won't find air one because they say in Kola,
okay. Okay. Mate. Omo parliament ni ensam famra mate. Me fa last 2 calls. Hello.
Hello.
Me pa chomi ni abe na me shia ni. Ene de se wotimi atom ti ma minti o. Hello. Yo, hello. Me pa chomo fran na wadum radio na ma me waye. It is a me you wafrim. Hello.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning. Me pa chomi ma me be na me shia ni.
Pacho Grace is sweating.
Yo, Grace, me pa choma minti wano pe.
Yeah, Papa. Papa could get one for my na walk man. You to free fear at the one. They can't say, watching the now, woman and Cody. Then some Kakana, Mamma, you are making other people every other day. And to Nasa, but I said that, my dear. I tell College said, pointed not to day and I said, what the big man is going to translate in a car.
Mate. Abata no. Omunya botre e wo mo ma ho mate me fa de otwa to okra. Hello.
Hello.
Me pa twe fe se mame.
O me mame o. Aja Akosua.
Mini abema be no mehia ni.
Me papa ngata, me papa.
Wo ye papa o daddy be no mehia ni, daddy be no mehia ni.
I me the way here Sompa do the do I set it down. Malam.
Tema.
Malam.
Ah, Malam. Okay. Me ba
yeah, I quote it down.
I quoted down. Mami nti o.
Yeah, do the do. Yeah, the one say, boy, I tell you what you say. Yeah, that's it. I now, me do some upon commercial. No, sir, where did you send mommy? So, okay, this is where I am. The parliament, I am on the Samuel contract.
E di into the parliament omo konta kwa ho mate.
I don't know that.
Oh, mehubi.
Now we get that. Listen to no. Alcohol come no. Then the parliament to am contract.
Mate, me dance me brana so honorable pacho cause me to be February what time na so. Because my 70
last point no very valid say.
Okay.
Nti eba ne say na parliament to be who na indisciplined behavior so. No correct. And they're very worrying because you see and me they are having say and then kwala na ehwe TV.
Yeah.
Me tama like me catch your bank crying. We hwe GH Mensamo ya asafoma fomo hakma oswajima mo debate on the floor. Uno se unya opportunity be to debate that is what you aspire to be like. Se nen kwala no de omo hwe wo TV so ne say ye boblos wo parliament. Ye kasaba heart ye ni ade eno no mbesua. Then what is the future of the democracy? They are very worried.
Yeah.
But asudi no so da fine wo de obetumi aka say wo de we disciplined. Ye bibia unko ye bi. But you see asudi no so da omo a tumi krom say omo be enforce discipline.
Okay.
In parliament, any across society. So almost na ye hwe han na say asuban no koso. Now there are no consequences there. Any nankola na bisua. Into parliament be ban the next 30-40 years no there.
Any beye obi be say ano beye day
to me show mon san no they should enforce discipline.
Okay.
I know na me aka.
I found. Okay.
I found. Me jidi say em say your discipline come on aton come.
I to be I discipline.
Many ba ku bisa say then ye be abo teachers mo person mo training college ni ade. Patro nche bia be start your manifesto home common ni ade.
Okay.
Politics in seven be more side.
Okay.
And ba ko so bisa question.
I'm saying no say as a muntimi enya kokudru nka no kre.
In fact, my simple answer is say who na choose politicians are open. The politicians are here kan no kre, omunye blame game, omunya kokudru e de no kre. Promote omo, support omo.
Okay.
Na mom say wo support nipa wanim say we nkontompo na odi jandam na oye ni ade. one am create problem no society. Akosua.
Mate, me da simpacho wase me chat for cra final where sa wo de ma obia etie for mo don pe wasem Sompa from crofasho which say o final.
Mesre min kai quotation ni ye but say bompaye ma Israel na Israel di ya.
Yeah, yes. Usubedi. Yeah.
Another scripture will say bompaye ma on mining penning for. Enti mesre etiefo nyina say nyabrena bompaye ma penning for di on mining 50 president, ba vice president, ba speaker, ba MPs, communists, judges ne ade nyina so. Because society be am penning for no nyankopon anya o madoma direct o mi. Na ombe toto ne ma basa no society nankasa
ebre
uko Nigeria say they are part of the country to me say what drive una mu keke you be kidnap process here. There are many places even here in Africa, Sudan honin keka honi ade a sani me no inya fa hu de ne nam ye koto kakru ne ade
unya ne sa
but ni na ejina sani o mining penning for no across the divide better to o mine no ti they are mesre ne mpaibo se bompae ma o mining penning for nyina fiti opening nankasa for the next 2.5 years otiedwane so eko across central for penning for ne ade nyina no nyankopon Bible say ohin no nakoma ehye nsem
baby o
pinchim ne sene ope no nyankopon na nchinchin no na onfa yembe wie baby pa
medase etiefo ye ne honorable lawyer Kojo Vincent Oponkroma and Echishin Koma Yedas Sompa Yeniaso anope ya chinwa ba yenim say we call parliament we adwuma no dawson but to make it time no we really appreciate you nti yeniaso pa nya
it's my pleasure also
yedas pa yedas pa hey we can't wait to cry yedas if I yes mama Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, you're hot. Just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot kinky. Dokunua. Ye di yellow corner vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana for the sepe.
3 Ghana for the sepe.
No more muto dokunua montinso. Eno no mutu etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuna sevu a wo ho a. Wo die free. Na ye customizing the mount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obi say just hot kinky. Enwa. And ye serve ya wo. Just bakery ewo dome. Commercial bank in Chenwa. Enti fraying and was 025 606832. Na yen customize your orders ne mo. Never serve wo see the wusi pen pepe. Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, yeah, hot.
Sompa delight. Bro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi Nakashani say Apna Rufi. I was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa delight, bro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwampo.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon Wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawu Hung Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanusia. Fawudanina Sheradensa. Na erade beye.
Kwa Jesu no Mr. Bremwa ayamio na adana kodani susa yam se kom na dinu ani se wasu Mr. Mfa na mame ei akoda na dadun so musa no hwe ne court ni mu krafo wo de mami nyini diaper no
diaper no kra de masisa me hu ne amenyempo
aya diaper na hwe diaper fufura abadwa so eye perfect baby diaper make na asemi e chinsu ankasa emu ya moto na ade bo akoda na ensansa bia enwu no perfect baby diaper make ye ne Ghana haye na ebua Ghana nkwada nso ankasa ono kwa na kwa me ko perfect baby diaper si bia to sisia na akwada na
Fred 0531099889 and 0303957965 FDE agi adwadi nkratoyi atum
ya boy ya ba Sompa ya boy ya ba Sompa
when I chama ni aje na so me media famous yeni amranka so na so ahwe ya amanye nti kika me mra so asiyesini akama ya samo akwada hu dachi na nani aje opane twaneli anani raho mara hu sempa na minke mintam kese na me bosu me mranti bremu metia elavina minyo mrantani mabao akama ya sempa my head kind of the my pony na ye jammy timamu from my swing ya grow I'm from my swing ya grow anka everything is sanja anka safu swami kami anka misa kwada ke moi anka safu swami kami myself ikani awafana ni wabio nisikeni na wamenu mtima wote jina Sompa kama kwanza mfana mesafa lepode amaji toi free me mama ye sankwa kwa fire myself sisi na mimi sorry ba mimi sama ni kani photo and sama mama de mwana mesa awoni ni hobie kasafena fesa nwa ametu kuse Nigeria aka everybody na sanja aka safu family kami aka mesa kwa de mwa aka safu family kami anga safu family kami aka misa kwa dabie mwa anga safu family kami maya safu pa procheno na miso ansu krobia ni ajenti banyanya kwa jepia o memenyi ndo mipeni project na fumio dansi mitimi komitibe mama beka ubi maso boame nano nyame boame boame nano nyame boame
Ghana de Shima Mamikusuwa Mamunyina Ache Sompa 106.5 FM across Sompa Rhapsody and Wutie ye efi ye atena ye kese ye wo Domi Watermelon Street and ye nya adesua bebre efi Honorable Lawyer Kojo Oponkro Manchen na said the Sompa Rhapsody yashesha ne pepepe efi adwoada kosi efiada anopa no wochi ekosi anopa no ndu ye de abrabo mo adesua ne nkyekere ene ye de bremo adesua bebre na Ghana mabunu ye de amamu anopa yi ono abo wagina mo no ankasa ne story so the American children say, Sompa, every year, Sompa, a good capacity, or say build capacity. If they wouldn't me down, who be here? Nindiano, we win say, akwenya bia ubenya bia no wasom opportunity bia ubenya bia no wasom awofo no so ye wasede ye wasodie kese se ye behhehye ye managene da bia wo kokopesika da bia wo kokopesika nanso wunya daje kakra bi enkoda no ntimi musa nya ba ba no kura hu Sompa Rhapsody a futupa abrabopa nemudie nyansa ye de bobra enkoma ye di ye na medine summary e mawo na afi medidwa na afi masori so wonya kakra bi anya media ma obi amento to na se said o kan wo sa wo som Sompa ewie wuye yeda honorable lawyer Kwajo Ponkroma Vincent yeda na se ne Sompa 106.5 FM akra to nsa frɛ no obɛka yensa na woni yɛkyekye nkomo odwumadi so megidi se wasua ne ma bebre megidi se wo ye babunu mpo na wani da so ansa wonya ne da so megidi se wo ye obantan ana se wo hyefo bi wonya bibi a wobetimi die ahwe wo fie yie Medresa na bra bo kakra ena aduanan 44 years a watena wasase isu no kakra na wonim ne kakra na wohu ye no wonso betimi dia bo wontoma no na wonso watimi edi adidwuma yeah, down no bulo ye Kwajo Ponkroma se ne the perfect baby diapers nso ase Enti for yeda honorable lawyer Kwajo Ponkroma se no one ye betwetwe nkomo e wo Sompa Rhapsody so no ansa ne bo no ndu a mede nkomo be hyehye so ye ni dreams for atwetwe nkomo no perfect baby diapers and I make come for the amawo perfect baby diapers e oba tan se wunya bi na se wo de bo oba na che se oba no wanye na bro no waye ne yie perfect baby diapers is here for you. So what betimi adayi amade a chene ye perfect baby diapers. So what the perfect baby diapers ebo obade anese no ano no. Akoda bi wa wo de diaper na bona na ne tun na ye nsansa. Akoda bi wa wo dwonso ana age ne ho oja ne na age ne ho. Akoda bi wa na dwo ntimi na obesu sa won sa akoda esu bebre a check ne diapers no. So won sa akoda bi wo su bebre a check ne diapers no. Next, who the perfect baby diapers upon the NHS why in the Yankasa? It's a Bomodian so be 053 1099889. So we do it to a 053 1099889 and 0303 957964. 03039 57965 0303957965. Perfect baby diapers and one yajia tumu. Now just hot and cake, just bread and pastries. Just bread and pastries. Or the just hot cake abba. Dokuna ye tunu wholesale. Where dokuna ye tunu wholesale. Now we to dokuna wholesale dia na just hot kinky dokuna no. I would to be tongue with betimi abua wo. Yellow corn na vitamin A woman any dia ye. Enti John's bread and pastries me mo asonte say wo pe dokuna ekoyie papa say wo pe se wutu na wo ton anasa wo de ye wo de party wo ye kinky party wo adwuma mu officer. John's bread and pastries for dia na wo hia. Enti wo mo do me commercial bank echi ho na so wonya frɛ wo mo 0256068832 ana wo dem 0256068832 ana no ano no. Make your Kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with Just Hot Kenke. Just Hot Kenke, hot. Now, 21st Clinic is one of sciatica expert. Now, 21st Clinic is if you were to say, a fountain in Mokonwa. Yariano e bo tohwa ye friend no sciatica. Se wotna se na wotwa si tutu na echese e sciatica. One more ye expert na e 21st Clinic. Ye from sciatica originator, pacesetter, commandant and a researcher. E the 21st Clinic e tun safre wo sa wo de brawate. Na ye nsha wotwa si ne tutu wo no. Say wo won cran ha tantal here run about say wo na mache motamo anim ho a wo fro bepo no won sani fa so ho no a ebe na nakodjesi edan no obehu 21st clinic ewo ho ebi wotema ka so akoma sisunya ne techima nkransa takwatakorade brekum go so no boase obetimi afa 21st clinic wo line no eran mo kama fra mo sisi a na fa wo maame no papa fa wo mo ko na wo mo mo eye 0540311311 0540311311 TBM eye 0540311311 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, your client service line. Open near Dijuma. Open your rate card. Open obey announcement to her. Open obey interview her. Open obey Juma. And I feel obe chakwan say wo bad domi Watermelon Street baby be Rising Sun School no. Say wo send your WhatsApp message Telegram and I will friend ya. Ya beje usuni ya settle keke. Wait me your payment online. Etinya afei na obeba your office ya tena ye kesi no matwa ho saa in crime traffic. It would the say client service line in here 0531886216. Obese woni edijuma 0531886216. TBM 0531886216. Obese we announcement. Eye phone announcement, social announcement. Obese we be interview, obese we be preach wa ha. Obese we bo adwuma ho dawru. Your client service line no bibi ha obese woni edi ho nkomo. Eye 0531886216. Your client service line Sompa Accra 106.5 FM. Eye 0531886216. Yeda mo se mo frɛ na mo ye enquiries ahodo nyame nhira mo bebre. Enche meni owura posika betwetwe nkomo. Oye Piama Dreams Fertility Clinic. Enti mo amowo o awo mu hawo no maba mo ba anopai. Ansa na Sompa Rhapsody mesori so no. Any Dreams Fertility Clinic for betwetwe nkomo fi se enya abrobo mu mpumto ne nkan konkon ne de ma wo mpom din so hia ye pa. Wo mpom din ehia ye pa. Enti many Dreams Fertility se makakre ba betwetwe nkomo na me omo wo maye no wanya ho mfa so ntibi pa cho so obi dia wo bi twa wo mpoa so obi ka che so wuntimi ngoda Dreams Fertility Clinic ebe kire oni omutimi ye ewi ane a kire omo mo kire kwane de omo telephone numbers atodwa ese na de ye ntra omo obi mfa wo ntwa ye poa o da bi o ye ntra ho ma emma ya wodie mu memma de da bi Dreams Fertility Adaromanti na owura posika na betimi aka na ye pa me de me de nam ho kakra bi Meka usa haye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Obetimi a join me live your Facebook page na ye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. And na YouTube nso ye Sompa FM live bra ho sisi na enkoma ye bedi na bra ye di abrabo mu nkoma ya hyehye ya tenka na ya hyehye ya dwene awie no ye ba ba hyehye ye mpom den. Enti mamenko studio B na obani sika memo akwa aba o.
Me jeso.
Na bibia bokodi. Wo de se tuntum broni o.
Mesa yo broni otuntu.
We tu. We tuntum wo bro. Wo broni. Utuntum na efentia.
Me da se.
Wo free.
Me boteria no.
O sa. Omo se nkomo ye kokoko na ye man na ye kokoko.
Ze me papa no. Me ni we start oye no.
Oh papa no nim style oye no. I don't watch about what best dey about. But nkomo na ye di no best dey about.
Right.
Okay. Enti what who baby papa no try o.
Aye. You know. Wa maya ye mix. Send be ya baby ya betimi wura.
Baby ya timi wura. Na o ma me so ha no so fi.
Aye, me ma me papa nyina.
O munya votarian.
Aye.
Voter with Krobe na mufi so.
Akachi.
What can I say?
Akachi.
Okay, Akachi. Okay, Mate. And then the Akachi intina oba.
No.
And Dreams Fertility Clinic intina.
Yes.
Oba. Dreams Fertility Clinic. Ade mo ye hin for dey na mo ye.
Okay. Mami di kanda wasena menda atiefo nyina so ase.
Okay.
Na ye ka Dreams dia fertility clinic ha. Enye the usual clinic na we are aware no. Eno enye orthodox.
Okay.
Eno so enye herbal.
Sir.
Organic Fertility Hospital.
Organic Fertility Hospital.
Boom. Nuaninro.
I say nuaninro.
Ene yake kan.
I say organic.
Enye enura. Eno so enye intin asem. Ene enye chemical bia.
It won't be make say herb asem bia. We know e organic ankasa.
Dabi. Nanso ni nyina ye dabi. Nanso ni nyina ye alternative medicine.
Okay.
But dreams na shase ni free UK.
Okay.
And in New Zealand.
Okay.
Na ye ma me the dreams by friend Dr. Shirley Williams.
Okay.
Na what UK for almost 40 years.
Hey.
Na oye
professional. I don't know nurse ni wa.
Oye professional midwife.
Okay.
Na me ma genesis of dream fertility clinic.
Okay.
Ono an oye midwife no ware obroni for 8 years no.
Ono na oye midwife no oji awo no.
Arawo sempa.
Oware broni e wo UK because also what's UK.
Sempa.
Oware broni e wo UK because also what's UK no oye midwife here come for 40 years. Oware broni ni
because
tube na say ya.
Ye woni asay ene ye woni a block. Ni a block je se to kru ndem emu kwanya si.
Okay.
And you want your damage. Only the any went to the extent say a damage.
A sacred.
And only the only option be apart from IVF and other star be na only muano and yes or kusia. Na that forbid the Nico holiday.
Okay.
Or New Zealand. Yes or kusia. Na that forbid the Nico holiday.
Okay.
Or New Zealand. No muko PA school be or New Zealand or yes or because our school no. It's about fertility.
Okay.
Na okoye no oba fie no prepare no call back to the school school no owie na man the project work so mbra me ono ani project work awoye no na ono ahoye project work no
because ono awon opebizi onye bi nti no ono anu wa project work
the first month oye ode ade ono ani the friends project
work ni ono emu na oye project work no
that month na onye mu ye odwene ho a wonti ase
ono ade ni padua ye project work no
say bia yaka kire say fa example na me yo fa kwadu ni nkate ne ebura ya keka bom na o de ka bom a ewo we ka bom a ebetimi a clear de bia esa damage
okay ewo awo no
ewo tube na esa damage no na oba afia oba ye no na ewo se opo obi na o de test say am pass e
na ono ade testing no ono ade testing no onyem ye
diamond no ene okita nkwala mako 4
wow eso na enya bibiduro eye nuane
enye UK duro nso
debi
like enye orthodox duro enye IVF so yamfa hwe ansha wase
okay kan nuane bi bubo mu testi ye enye ninuo ene edi awo ne bae
wa fo enye ba ko mu no aka say lack we usually ba ko pe ba ka say lack
oye no san ye biem
say woni abre ba ko nya ba na senya san ne pe o hwe say ba ko be say
na metwato so
we say na wani kakra
okay
inti na o say oye ne tentem wow fo
wow
inti say mi jana make dreams as much show enye machama koy enye ye ya hwe se be yi a
de onipa na waso ahye de ono a clinic ne ye ne de na ono a ye clinic no ono a ye clinic no
na oba ho ono na aba betu no
ono anso na be hye wo
otira buchi ma mo hu ne se no sa Ghana kra na se wo ware na wo wo de o problem de o chen se wo na de COVID-19 bae enti o problem no so nti sa we ho no no kom ono kra de o ware obroni nti no that kind of compassion wo ho kakra ba we ware obibi ni na sa wo mba de a wo problem ada roma
wo kurukura ti meka chiro se me ni obi kwa wo aba se matwen a wo manti me ni obi kwa wo aba anase bi kura onipa no wo baako na bi ebi mma otimi ka se baako na se akora wonya 12 years nti ma me nkona me kwa bonten aba
mpe baako aka ho
ko wa twen ma
we said those kind of tension surrounding infertility no eno kra sama ade ne ko na chi mo pressure na wo kuro de ma wo abusiafo de ma wo asori for the mouth tell bia onya obi anya nka ahwe ba wankasa ogiti question ye wo say obi bebiza as wa ware na da ben
obi kura hwe wa ogin say awo nti na wo hwe
wo hwe wo ufuru bi ba soma no na say onipa ne ka say me ba so ya de ma wa ye wo say awo na wo nti e no mpo so be ma ne bada akọ
atete
nti sa pressure ni nyina no e ka ho kra ma wo no kra prolonge
ma wo ne che as a stress no
sa nti eniama bebre won ma dreams na dreams ba men kan si peace dreams ye nya adwuma bia ho no apart from fertility
awo ho adwo na say mo de a specialized hospital awo nko mo fa bibia nka
debi
eti wonya wura dreams fertility clinic awo nti na abaye
bibia nko ho nsa na chi aje say enema me ensa pe na yentimi ma wonwo e dreams one and say only a wo de wo yem
woni wumb
woni wumb woni bi dia yentimi mboa wo yentimi
ema wonya bi
na tu
munya nyame
na tu woni be ma one ne be hiem
se bia wa ba se wo power na so ni be ma one ne be hiem eno so muntimi nya bi
na ye ma waduro na won konom
mo oduro na wa anom so anu so san kofo mi ense na muntimi wa san kofo mi ense na muntimi mo wa mo oba woni awode ana woni be ma one ne beda ana se bia ye ma waduro na wa
onom sa na ma mi ensa we pe se so tuber block so we got consistent miscarriages over your front na say for your front na say bra dreams simple we yen fa de bi me hwa wase yen fa machines wo hono mo abro chire na ka de aba woda so a yen ya betime hu adekode apro open na oba ye chire and na ya ma waduro yi 3 months later 4 months depending on how severe the problem is betime actually say that's it now before your flu
wow
organa haya dreams fertility clinic
utimi bama ye di no ne ma na afa na said your open mutimi chire say that's it
na do no crowd da wa bana ya diagnose wo ye hu problem
ma hu problem utimi chire say
ado ya de mawi
sa wonomo a
that's it
obefa ye that's obefa ye fu mutimi predict ene bamu nso
pepe ade ba ko so say fe ni say oba dreams a o ye mami peni e wanya 45 years 50 years o pese wo watwa bra oba dreams a ye wodu e de be ma o dreams a 3 weeks from the day be mo wodu no up to the 3rd week any moment from that time to the 3rd week obesa menstruate you reverse it back your menstrual cycle
because usa na wa twa brant no
usa kra wanyi
me fa
50
50 nyina
54 nyina 55
obesa wo no so obesa wo na se ho no de yan so obesa wo
wa ye kra so obewo
na wa wo de na wo be ma ne be da
oye ma me
de duro ni ma wa benom oye hwan obewo
ompese obewo kra obewo ompese obewo kra obewo
onim ehin fa na mo me mo atan to so but I say one man komo na ye de obi send me message ante Akosua man nche location no one fa number ni ntudwa nwi ansa na wato ankomo no so enti ba cho kan location ne ka number na ansa na ya to ankomo no so
ye ma me sema me mo location
sir oso number nko na fa tudwa
na de ba ko ntia ye mo location so say awo ya de be so delegate na the way I hono no ya hono private hospital ra hono ma tani awo ko ni obi akodi nkomo
enti ni kwa so
obi ntimi nje ka sister ye okwe se
okopa wo de enam stigmatization ti eti wo je number na wo fredi a
de be kishire obi wo nyina waka ya ni ayi ba bia wa bia
enkran
ya be ma location bibia ura odi na ya duro no so ete se ayi ko atem se woni malaria do utimi de show botum utimi de show wallet enya adura ya ma ga no ba ko no ya
kunya kakra bi na de wade ko wade fa ne fa number na nkrofo mfre ma me na
eju tie mi a wadaro ma frame sisi ya ne book appointment basis ofra
okay eti jisa wo frɛ ne book appointment ama se be nipa na mebɔ mpe so okay
because the whole day timi twe nipa trepe
okay because munya nipa na ho adaje
enye sika asem enye nurse asem number no 0599
patro fa number na to suma
0599
0599
555 220 0599 555 220 and 0597
yensan ka ba ko na
0599 555 5 near me
555
220
aha wonim se nkomo ide enti e mema de mema na sa okay man po on fa next one for second one brands
for kra ma mubo ni nyina na obi anya
wo de fa
0597
225 388 yanko bi
0597 na me da ma osisi a wo change 8 no a wo twa to no kra na wo de na ya hye ho
and na third one
it's 0597 225 389
okay
aha anti 388 no na wa no 389
okay
eno ano no ofre sisi ya doctors na ya krado ombeje na ne wadi nkomo bi problem bia efa wa wode ho no bisa
de enti awo ho nkomo no me de ne se me worry foforo me nya miscarriage
okay
na esanso ye ntafo enti eba menim se ne ye woware na sa wo ma atete ye wom ti na man nkomo ye me de no na the dreams fertility clinic de mo ye no ye pese mo bo ho de room amansan etifi se ade ube share obi my IVF my way chese otimi se nipa no wa ye de obetimi bia otin mre bi oba bi ba me office chese awo mu sun adan ani kunu se awo ne menti se de okofa be okofa oba foforo nti ne ho atete no de betena ne kon ho nyina twetwe nam se oba pa aduane bi dia enti 0599 555220 and 0597225388 and 0597225389 yes remo number na mo frɛ unimo bia awo hanoa unia no mo abrochire mo abrochire ne unso bi wa woni Ghana bia obi fa so obi tie Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ni maami bi onim no ni sister bi onim no ni nua bi onim no adamfo bi onim no pa award dendende or UK or France or US sankrofo no kwan be na dreams mbetimi abo
bia obi a no one doctor kasa or process obema wako hospital bia ben
okay
bia say scan say lab let us know say bia or the lab result no be send WhatsApp line dog and kasa be go through no hu na de ko deport ya say yo bia say tube na block bia fibroid obi one more young girl ombu ni nsa o menim young girl bi 19 years 20 years 25 ombu ni nsa da sa problem ni nyina pese sa akwala no o produce mema hormone bebre echen your body enso no your ba into ombu ni nsa eno de oye dan ya wontumi nwo nti bibia woni padua manya me my whole signs and symptoms so woni symptoms na wo problem no nti so ombu nsa ana ombu nsa ne bosumu ya jese ye to aba foforo na abesa bu nse bio se wote sa mesere wada roma untumi wo e wo se obu nsa na obu ni yie oba wa obu nsa kra nya 4 days between 4 to 7 days into obu nsa 1 day na o menstrual cycle na so ko ba ko pe na agyan a symptoms e kira say wo ho be ye odin nti ba bia wo bia say menstrual disorder na ye problem wo ye lab no ye scan out the send doctor na so no oni ne kasa obechire oni opeso ohunu ni akona koye ma no na ohunu problem no enti say ya wo obi wa fibroid ade ba ko bebre de miscarriage ba pa fibroid o se fibroid da wodie ni mu a ene akwala no so da wodie ni mu fibroid no so landlord o hono ma anza na akwala no oba
nti obetu no ena aduane na wodie a eku akwala ni mo no so benya bi edi no ahoden no fibroid ni gibi na akwala no so age nti akwala ni fibroid ni chaade no ena fibroid na aye honam akwa tissue ana akwala no sie mujato a ba ko bebo ba ko bejam eye dan ya akwala na bejam enye aduro enye bayi enye bibia wo miscarriages a wo de misral bra dreams wo ba ne atonchia ne aka kire wo se ensi bio ye wadu ebe ma wa fibroid ne be na ne nti wa furu trip wa ye kakraka wa ye obese that problem ni nyina ye small problem fibroid dreams ne tosumi no be se meka na wo ka ma me bia o se ni kunu yes so say awo manti ono oba foforo ko wuyi
50% of infertility e mema bebre mema bebre so nwo
abeba bi wa no low sperm count gra
ade ba ku bi eye nwanwa amanfo ni mi se obi ma bi won ma no ho de won pamu pa otimi ni oba da be ye 1 hour the fact say oni oba da timi da 1 hour that is
en chese wo hu so ni timi wo
amanfo be me ho de mi jam na so mi
enya hoden
asem yensu na o supply dia mo ba no na ye ka ho asem ndi obi ma bi won ma otimi ni oba da 2 minutes ba na ne ho asane no na so no hwie ye no eye quality eye matured obi wa ni so spermatozoa na wo nsu no mu eye immatured enti mi mo ba anyem
nkwamo no ewu
obi die nso kra obi so die no ade na ye kiti enti no before say mo no be suimi akwakodu a wo die ni mu no na
omo na ewu
enti sa problem ni nyina be ma bebre nyim oye no say me ho
enti ye na ono dwen say eye oba ne mom na sese na be ma bi otesa na oba ho a dreams mutimi bo am
ade aye ma me pepa ne say nka ye fese mu mienu
ayamra
kontem kra
I say oba ne be ma ne nyina amra ne mo ba no ya scan mo ya twa mo bibia
ya ma be ma aduru ni am oba aduru kikra mudu fi anya asem ketwa eno de e kontem chen bibia but the na ade ba ko so say hu ni say obi a obi ma bi wa wo pen ena wa ko ware oba fo
and to odwe say wa wo pen into no problem so betimi abasa wa wo pen but afa de o sperm na hode na
asay ati say me a meti ma nanti akọ ebi of anko barrier those days the same person okaze me na ni ko taifa junction me ntumi nko the same person
ebre na sesa
bibi tumi sesa woni padua ni ma adua ni bitimi ma bibi sesa niama bebre timi change just a day and now betimi ya feta ochina na bibi esi na problem abam enti complete sense wo me ma mu say nye no it doesn't work oni ukun ne oyere no mienu nyina nka mombra dreams ubedu ho no mu a oye den ya obewo number no
if it's a bema no say wo bana woni problem be mo hu say woni problem say any problem nye wo ne free na your bana because to be say that wo can be na wo bana bibia ye kama but ne bia bema no ne free but no dwen say ma wo pen ana mpa no obi a metimi ne wo da be 30 minutes one na de o ye de ka say eso jan wo na so no aho
obi wo kra na ho nsane no bema bi obi timi ne oba da 1 hour na ho nsane no
yeah and I say nsuo no kra beba na kra ho di bia ni but your for dreams for number no
0599
0599 555
220
yanko bi
0599 555 220 and 0597 225 388 0597 225 388 and 0597 225 389 0597 225 389 na momi ma se metam na so
anti mbe ma me beda wase
anti nka me sori so no mesrew obi wo no ma ombu ne se metimu bio umbu nsa na etie bia untumi enwo sister bra dream te be mo abu nsa o so oba wo krampo
obi a ommu ne nsa ye serious so oba na ommu nsa
bra
but a problem
I was one pa and na dey makoyi hu ana mpese me kan ye o makwakoye scan lab doctor catch on say mu yo okay tu ni nyina ye fe unexplained infertility untimi ase there is an explanation
bibi wa chire
over dreams sa unexplained e be no explain ya ma ho aduru
yeah because oba na ho ye be ma na ho ye bata wo ne ma
yes you dey sha be fo no
but oba ho a ye be ma hu die ntia
be clear ni nyina simple ye ma me wa bre obre no dey small
no kwa wa bre sin
5% na aka na ye omo no maduru no oba obewo okwan bi aso unyo bi mfa na ntu na fa no to Sompa baby
owa it me say munko uko dreams fertility clinic near mawa na de akwada na to Sompa we are no abeka kire ya anti Akosua moka dreams dream fertility clinic na me call ye no ena se mawo nti akwada na ye fe no Sompa say ye wo no kwasi ada se medie bia Akosua Sompa ana se kwasi Sompa ana sika Sompa Paul Sompa
na bia obi afre number no ye be kire the direction location time abet doctor bibia o hia bia o fry be kire
mate
me dase bebre ma
me dase nyame hira opi nyame adma na wo chese ne be sande ma ba fise nkomo we die esi eto aso nti e be hye wonim nondu e wa Hawaii that's Atie for Dreams Fertility Clinic ene yete wo monka no meni awreho ena ma wonti wabusuafo wo Ghana ne amonone wanka safa mawate menka sana mabre ma ya IVF ma yewe misroje we de danso kra on se Sompa de kamfo ade ma wa na chese de musrunko enye bibia ne ebo hu dawru wa ha 0599 555220 0599 555220 and 0597 225 388 0597 225 388 and at the chato no 0597 225 389 0597 225 389
Aka emre betina sanetya
Yeah, sorry, sweet. Namedia Sedema 21st Clinic, Just Hot Kenke, and a perfect baby diapers. Some awesome pa, na wanya chedia pa. Said the honorable lawyer Kojo Ponkroma de Maye and a day. Build your capacity. Ebrana wo digina wo de ye konkonsa ye ne ma hu hia eye petty and insecure no. Asua de fa build your capacity. You may not know when your help will be needed. You may not know when your services will be needed. And no and honorable lawyer Kojo Ponkroma Edemaye. The story na me yenya ni da so sa de bi ekuta wo ne se wo ye na wo ye ni ya eboa. The story no so me ye hu se ye nto akoda bi antwene. E se obi a wo school na eba pieces a besi form 1. Na ye kan wo mo modern wo na to so 2 free ase ho eba. Na bedroom rebi wo na di kan. Na wonya distinction at the core secondary school. Wo se excuse and say about tan ye nyan kra no ho abotra akoda bi anko. Obi a wo ye slow learner, obi a wo ye fast learner. Men to akoda bi antwene. Obi wa science ne maths ne no nya adio but technically or you very good. Eti makoda na hwehwe obi okra wo ye sound engineer ene obeye ho ade. Obi ye streamer na obeye ho ade, obi makeup artist. Mene makeup lady bi a obi bridal makeup ibi. Obi ye wedding na say okoye makeup 3,000 Ghana cedis no oji. And no more ye wixi. Oye wig ba kuma wono kwa na fa so da so ye 1,000. The be a hona kwada ne de wo. And the fashion designer ya abai. Abai we ye friend sadi ya nansen ya no free mu yi. Say wo hwe ni designs ahodo. Eje akodi mu nyina de omusunsum ta ya chi apam dada no a mu nyina ta chiri de omusunsum boae oyine yire abrewatia wo mu nyina de akoma papa ta chiri wo mu nyina kan obi na Sompa Accra eye Sompa Accra yeti ye ho ase enti yenye ye ho achiniye enti me da team nyina ase upon a nice security NS so change so shay say abontin who designing in be fine and from security to the last person obi a will contribute to ye bia yedamose da bia meka se me hwe ni pamre ye me hwe ni pa ho den eti menim se wutosini woni ma bebre ho but me hwe wo de wutosini so ene wonni me hwe ni ma papa e wo ho na me ni wodi eti me man wo munye perfect de nanso ne ma papa e wo mo ho no edoso ese ne wo mo ho a enye ebi se nipa bie ni ho a wo ye perfect eti da chi bi mapa be che okwan ya ye focus wo nipa strength na ne weaknesses na ye manage man ye fe Madam nyina se mo enitie ye the second service dwumadi ne bramu ya tim ne bedi yanim na dubako ye bompa ya dumi enu ye de prem to breka se bono ebebremu prem to breka se bono wie ye no a na abna ruthi wono so the Sompa Delight for the social entertainment show no abreye ne ebena dai ene minim se etiquette no ebeko yie pa telephone etiquette ne dressing ne ade nyina Sompa Delight we are from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. we are pe na Kobla Abochi aka Prof now with the Forgotten County social political show papa the best afternoon social political show no dia ba 5:30 na ye the Hot Bite news no atwamoso Hot Bite we pe na enne minim se World Cup no mbetwintwan ya nemu a wantwintwan ya nemu de na na Prophet Mango Day na ono so e the third service no aba ebre the Hot Bite news no ye de aba awiye awie yes say awie Argentina ni Egypt 4 p.m. nti no we de ene ayi abena ruti wie ye no anasa for kantanka betena se eti ene de nya de a Forgotten Country no ebetimi abaso ye behwe said Egypt Argentina ni Egypt there by all means no commentary near 4 there and then say Forgotten Country dwumadi no nya de beba so abena ruti ewia na wo mo de voices ne sports ne ade no mabetena se abeye ye ho commentary a na afei ene ye se yen ko hwe na yen hu time e de kase bo ne beba ansa na mo aba because 4:30 dey mo se say Nessa said the idea news no ye de bebre mu no nsia normally ya na hot bite no 5:30 but enam commentary no ya signal me say commentary bi wo ho enti enam commentary ni enti na news no beba 6 p.m. enti Mr. Boatin ya na wana oti ne down mama me na for God and country dwumadie no ena enti me maso enne enam commentary na Argentina ni Egypt no a ye prese Egypt betimi ahye Argentina ama ye no a ye dreams ye big no ye dreams ye big as you faith de ye ketwa bi your dreams ni are big but your faith ni ketwa bi enso nyame yo ba Morocco for de meji wo mudi Morocco meji wo mudi papa Egypt for no omo ma me hu so ye but omo so kro omo ye tough etienne ye the news ne bebrem 6 p.m. and the news ne bepa 6 p.m. eti mo mfa nche yen hot bite normally a hot bite ne chance 5:30 normally 5:30 but the news no be chance 6 and nam commentary na Argentina ni Egypt be yenti eti prophet mango day beba and the prophet mango day beba if say ye wi 7 no na prophet mango day 7 to 9 no de aba na cedar hour so aba eti ene mo follow ye program no munim say sompa ha de 5:30 and ye can hot bite and the hot bite na e be chance 6 p.m. and nam live commentary ne de be mamo Argentina and Egypt no eti safo kantanka be ma be baba betina se 4 na wato so